And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is my very first SNAA. We have the Furious Warhammer Galahad, and this is from the Round Table Knights series of them, where they have this Beyond Exquisite that is, the same like the RG of Bandai. And yes, this is my very first, and yeah, I actually saw this. Not just only this one. There's also the Ion CK, but based on the price that the seller gave to me, I think it's much more worth it for the Galahad since it's a bigger box and has many screws. But anyway, looking at the box art, yes, it is very nice. We have Galahad there. Beyond Exquisite. We have the name here from what series, and off to the side here it is. Uh, the Round Table Knights, Furious Warhammer Galahad. Off to the other side, here it is, Galahad again. And off to the other side, yeah, a line art. And the SNAA on the other side, yep, Galahad in full color. And off to the back, yep, here it is. So we have Galahad front and back, some action poses they can do with him, and of course, the the inner framing for this Beyond Exquisite. Alright. So that's what's in the box. Now opening up and seeing what's inside, I'm actually happy about this. Why? Because they have a additional protective layer of box for this one. Now let me just, there you go. See, it's completely different from a Bandai box, wherein you have just the top and bottom covering, but this one has another box, which is another protective layer for me. Okay. So we have one bag with 2 screws, another bag with 2 more runners or screws, a gold plated, or looks bronze to me actually, another bag. Alright, I think this has how many? 14 screws. Yeah, another bag here, and I see the parts of the Warhammer there. Another bag with this screw here. Alright, more parts for the axe and weapons, I guess. We have the last bag here. There we go. And they have stickers. Kind of from those type of stickers. And of course, we have here the instruction manual, wherein it's a magazine type. Yeah, instruction manual is a magazine type, and I think here, they start with the torso, yeah, with the head. Yeah, there it is. Here's Galahad. I'm not sure if they have any pages here for the other knights. No, I guess not. Anyway, so let's take a look individually at each of the screws. And first up, we have the A screw here, which is all gray. I'm thinking this is the inner frame. Yep. Of course, for the inner frame, we have not just one, but we have 2 of the B screws here. Then, still part of the inner frame, we have the C screw here, which is all gray. And parts of the inner frame for the weapon, we have the D screw here. Here it is, the Warhammer. Yep. Then, moving on to the armor parts, I think this is the E screw. Parts of the Warhammer and parts of the armor is seen there. Light bluish right now for the F screw. Same color for the G screw here. Then we have the H screw going to white. There you go. I screw is also white. And we have the J screw here. Kind of light gray. And the K screw, still the light gray color. Then going to L, I think this is a bronze plated one. Yeah, looks bronze to me rather than gold. And lastly, we have the Z screw over here. Back to gray. Seems the arm parts over there. And of course, Yeah, stickers. Alright. And there you have it, Plamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the SNAA Beyond Exquisite Furious Warhammer Galahad, one of the Round Table Knights series of the SNAA. And this got me thinking, should I backtrack to buy the others? I'm not sure, but hey, we'll see. I think maybe based after this, first build or first unboxings, we'll see. Maybe I will, maybe I will not. Hey, and this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.